It is.
What is the income of the husband?
Even notes, I also filed an application, not seeking for interim maintenance notes from my wife. An MCOM degree holder.
Any children out of the marriage?
Nothing. No issues.
That is only the ground. It's very important. Even after lapse of 6 years, there is no cohabitation.
My contention is that nevertheless, not by virtue of a graduation that she has, but she is capable of earning. That is one point. Another point is that she is working.
When was the marriage? And after some time, he can renew his request, because being a BE graduate, forever you cannot say that I will not get employed.
I was doing
How much you are getting? What is your income?
But I have shown nil balance.
more than 1 lakh.
Yes.
Please, Your Worship. Challenging an order of interim maintenance being granted in trial court. But wife filed a divorce petition. Along with an application on section 24 of Indian Marriage Act seeking for litigation expenses.
You appear for the husband?
I appear for the husband.
How much is granted?
8,000 rupees and 25,000 rupees for litigation.
25,000 for litigation. What, as per the evidence?
Monthly
what
citizens.
is the income of the husband?
Even notes, I also filed an application, not seeking for interim maintenance notes from my wife.
You also filed an application?
I also filed an application. That application.
So for that, you have filed this writ petition.
Both are common orders is passed. My application is rejected and her application is allowed. My grievance is that though application has been filed upon, the court proceeds to decide the maintenance, without there being any sort of assets and liability statement being filed by either of the parties.
So when you have committed a wrong, you wanted maintenance, you don't file your statement of assets and liability.
Yes.
And how can you come before the court and say that court has decided that without...
Nevertheless,
if you want it to be, because you have not filed, you want it to be remanded, it will be done at some cost. Otherwise, it will not remand.
both applications have been heard.
They have not come.
They decided.
They have not come.
They have not come. But nevertheless,
If you want to know, they are happy with whatever that is. You want it to be again reappreciated. If it has to be, then it has to be on some cost.
Nevertheless, insofar determination of a compensation is maintenance is concerned, the court has to analyze what is the assets and liabilities of both the
Before
parties.
you say that, there are two things. One is, basing on whatever it is, if you want to argue, that is one aspect.
Please.
No, if you're relying on not filing of statement of assets and liabilities, then we'll not go into all this. We will remand the matter. And for that remanding the matter, you have to pay something to your wife for again making her to contest the matters here.
But that is already been paid. Arrears have already been paid upon. The court has ordered 8,000 rupees per month. On 25,000 rupees towards litigation expenses. That is all been cleared upon. But my only condition.
Then what is your income?
I said that though I am an MCOM degree holder.
Any children out of the marriage?
Nothing. No issues.
That is only the ground. It's very important. Even after lapse of 6 years, there is no cohabitation. On the ground of that, the petition is filed.
And that has been disputed by me. Insofar as the granting of a compensation is concerned, I have taken up a condition by saying that the wife is an BE graduate. And she was working in Silicon Media Technologies Private Limited to an extent of 30,000, and she was earning 30,000 rupees.
That is prior to the marriage.
If you complete, you can. Yes.
Now, she has taken up a condition by saying that I was earlier working, and presently I am not working. Then that is what she has taken up condition. But though my contention is that nevertheless, by virtue of a graduation that she has, but she is capable of earning. That is one point. Another point is that she is working.
When was the marriage?
2018.
2018?
31/8/2018.
When was this petition filed?
23.
So how long they are together? For 2 years?
No.
4 years.
4 years.
2020 you are saying?
18 marriage, 23 petition is filed.
23 petition
No, 22.
Filed.
MC 100 of 2022.
22. Oh, from how long they were separate?
After filing this
After
petition.
filing. So from 18 to 22. So being a BE graduate, why is she not working?
They forced me to left the job because there is no such culture, women working culture in their family. They made me to forced to leave the job. They are residing in Chintamani.
But you should make your efforts to get a job.
They are not permitted to do the job.
no,
They
no,
they
anyhow,
are residing in
now-
Chintamani at Chiba-
23, this petition is 22, this petition is filed. Now we are in 2024. No, she should start doing something.
She is trying, but after gap of 5 years, why you are left the job? Why all these days?
But
you are-
anyhow, she may not get the job like of her qualification, but some job she'll get.
She is trying, but as of today, she is not
No,
getting
let,
the job.
till you get employment, he shall pay them amount. That we will record.
So
and,
far, she is not
and,
getting the
and,
job.
And after some time, he can review also, renew his request. Because, no, being a BE graduate, forever you cannot say that I will not get employed.
I was doing, I am admitting in my
doing?
petition.
Notes, as a MCOM graduate, notes, I was, the same notes, I was doing this thing, egg business, egg sale business.
How much you are getting? What is your income?
But I have shown notes nil balance.
More than 1 lakh.
You're doing business for the sake of
No,
some
no,
charity.
My father sold the
in
site.
fact, notes,
and
all the
given
property,
to-
they say notes that I had a lorry, but in fact, it is standing in my father's name, notes, I'm not doing any business.
No.
That's the
When
reason,
you
notes.
say that when you're doing some business will get, business
but
is for
that is-
something which is
but
done for
that
money.
meant, that is their condition, but that notes I disputed. I said notes, earlier notes I was working. So presently notes, I'm not working notes and I did
No,
not have any source
unnecessarily
of
if the
income.
court calls for all that, your bank statements and all, unnecessarily your client would be at more, please come.
My only sole condition is that since she's a big computer science, earlier when she
No,
was
that will
working.
record that, yeah, she should, you have to pay the maintenance, she gets employment.
Please,
And you can renew your request before the court.
please.
I am getting job.
Huh?
Till I am getting the job.
That's what I said. Till you get the job, and you should get it, not that forever you will not.
No.
The land council on either side produce the material on record. There is no dispute about the fact that both the wife and husband are well educated. It is a case of the wife that as the husband and the family members have not permitted her to work. She has not been working from 2018 till 2022. And after that, when she tried to,
Subject to correction notes. She has admitted in the petition by saying that she worked until 2022. That is after the marriage. She states that she has placed a copy of the letter which indicate that the petitioner was working with the Smart Streams Technology India Limited as solution developer until 29/7/2022. Marriage has taken place in the year 2018.
that statement with regard to that. That she's not having a job as on the date of the application. The land council has submitted that the statement of assets and liabilities are not filed. Unfortunately, in this case, both of them have not filed. The court had rightly considered that in the year 2022, he has purchased a vehicle. That itself shows that he has source of income